At Johnson Controls, we are committed to innovation, partnership, and human achievement. As a global leader in building efficiency, we strive to exceed our customers' expectations by creating comfortable, safe, and productive environments that help them achieve great things. Our quality products and solutions for controls, heating, ventilating, air conditioning, refrigeration, security, and services are used in various industries such as pharmaceuticals, data centers, educational and public institutions, commercial buildings, food and beverage, and hotel industries. Serving over 1 million customers worldwide in more than 150 countries, our 170,000 employees manage over 170 million square meters of corporate real estate for many of the world's largest companies. By offering a comprehensive life cycle approach, we help new and retrofitted green building owners minimize utility costs and maximize energy efficiency. To date, we have completed over 500 renewable energy projects including solar, wind, and geothermal technologies. Our solutions have reduced carbon dioxide emissions by close to 20 million metric tons and generated huge savings for our customers. Since 1911, we have been dedicated to serving Asia. With more than 9,000 employees serving 17,000 customers in 12 countries, we are poised for continued growth in Asia and beyond. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities in Wuxi and Guangzhou, R&D hub in Wuxi, Center of Engineering Excellence in Mumbai, and assembly line in Pune provide our customers with quality and innovative products and world-class services. Set up in 1996, our Wuxi plant occupies 60,000 square meters with a strength of over 1,200 employees. It houses 4 production lines and delivers an annual output of 5,000 York chillers, as well as made-to-order refrigeration solutions. It is one of the world's largest water chiller unit manufacturing facilities and the largest in China. Our award-winning York variable speed drive systems, ice thermo storage technology, and chiller plant automation solution integrate seamlessly with our Metasys building management systems to deliver a broad range of energy conservation options. Our state-of-the-art production facilities also include computerized and numerically controlled drillers, numerically controlled plasma and flame cutters, high-efficiency plate forming rollers, sub-arc welding machines, Information technology is used to ensure flawless manufacturing of our customers' products from start to finish. Our 9 performance test facilities for variable speed drives and water-cooled chillers ensure a continuous focus on quality. A wide range of water chillers, industrial refrigeration chillers, are produced in our Wuxi plant every single day. Established in 1995, our manufacturing facility in Guangzhou occupies 88,512 square meters of space. Every unit is made to order. The equipment produced here serves a broad range of customers and applications. This includes air distribution, air cooling, and water chilling equipment that serve residential and commercial customers. For high productivity and a streamlined workflow, this facility is equipped with superior precision machines. Our efficient and well-managed production teams focus on exceeding expectations through continuous productivity improvement and lean manufacturing. This mindset on high quality is what allows us to produce reliable VRF products that are exported to countries all around the world. Our production covers both outdoor and indoor inverter units for residential and commercial use. Through continuous investments in our infrastructure and manufacturing capabilities, Johnson Controls maintains world-class operations, exceeding expectations of customers around the globe. The success of our commitment to quality and continuous improvements is validated through extensive product inspections and tests at every step of the factory production cycle. State-of-the-art testing labs ensure the quality and performance of all incoming materials and outgoing finished products. Our test labs adhere to ISO and AHRI standards, including key instrument documentation verifying the measurement accuracy. New testing labs are also being added to support our growing business and expanding product lines. Established in 2004, our Asia Engineering Center in Wuxi is the regional hub for multidisciplinary product development. We aim to continuously develop innovative green solutions that reduce the carbon footprint and meet our customers' needs. We have over 400 highly qualified specialists and design engineers dedicated to developing cutting-edge technology and energy-efficient products serving the global market. Equipped with advanced testing and performance verification labs, our engineers conduct rigorous product testing, examining and validating heat transfer, noise, vibration, safety, and reliability. Applying Six Sigma design tools and an advanced info management system, we are constantly pioneering new solutions. Our research and development facilities have received accreditation from international organizations such as CNAS, ILAC, AHRI, ISO, Eurovent, and CRAA. With a skilled workforce dedicated to excellence at every level and an emphasis on quality and performance, we have set a new benchmark for the industry. To meet the increasing global demand for high-quality building efficiency solutions, we are expanding our facilities in China. Our Wuxi facility will occupy an additional 100,000 square meters to facilitate more research and development and greatly increase our productivity. Our plant in Guangzhou will house the world's first fully automated air handling unit assembly line. In the near future, there will also be 4 new VRF assembly lines and a new VRF and air-cooled water chiller unit testing center. As a leading provider in building efficiency with global presence and local knowledge, Johnson Controls has managed, supplied, and serviced some of the most iconic properties in Asia. Our award-winning technologies will transform the way the world lives, works, and plays. Johnson Controls, building efficiency, helping people achieve.